Now, the big question a lot of Jamaicans fans are asking is who is going to be the next Shelly and Face of Rice, and who is going to take over when Shericka and Ellen Thompson era also retired. Now, this girl called Briana Lyston has been making waves in the athletics industry. What I mean is she has been making Jamaica as a nation very proud, especially in the NCAA school championship. For those of you that are following up with the NCAA school competition, then definitely you guys should have known that Briana Lyston has defeated a lot of United States of American athletes in the 60 meters, and this has been able to spark a lot of reaction. A lot of people are feeling like Briana Lyston is definitely and will be the next big star coming from and Jamaica. Also, in case you do not know, Briana Lyston defeated a lot of Jamaican athletes yesterday, clocking a time of 7.08 seconds in the 60 meters, just outside her personal best, to win the title, defeating Jasius Sears from the United States of America and the other athlete. Now, let's also remember that Julian Alfred from St. Lucian was also like Briana Lyston, and now she is a professional athlete. Yes, for those of you who know Julian Alfred, she used to be like Briana Lyston. She was winning in the NCAA, and look how bright her future is. And I feel like Briana Lyston will definitely be the next Julian Alfred from the NCAA school. Now, I want us to be reading some of the reaction when Julian Alfred was able to defeat the United States of American athlete. Someone from social media, Sandra Mure, says, "I just love Briana from she was attending St. Jago. She's gonna be a force to reckon with. I have no doubt that she will make it to the Olympic. Keep going, Briana. Keep going, Briana." So this woman is trying to make a point here that Briana Lyston probably have a chance to make it to the Paris Olympic this year. Well, maybe there are possibilities, but it is definitely going to be hard, because I mean we have some of the big Jamaican athletes like Shericka, Ellen, and Shelly. She will have to defeat one of those if she wants to qualify for the Olympics. Do you also believe that she has a chance to participate in the Paris Olympic this year? I mean, Jamaica has a lot of powerful athletes to represent them. Now, let's look at the next reaction to Briana Williams defeating the American athlete. Now, someone commented from social media again by the name Brenda Lawrence. He said, "Yes, my star. Congrats to Briana Lyston. I can't wait to see you take on the world. You are going to upset a lot of athletes. Watch this space. Love you, girl. Keep shining." Wow, this person is trying to motivate Briana Lyston to keep on going, that one day she's going to be like Shelly, Ellen, and Shericka Jackson. Now, let's look at the next reaction again from social media. Now, this person is called by the name Yasin Red. Now, he says, "Season early, and usually athletes run the time according to how they have been conditioned. Hopefully she is able to maintain this level during the rest of the season, while even improving in what she is now exhibiting." Now, I feel like this is actually one of the best comment, because this guy is trying to tell Briana Lyston to kind of calm down, because the season has not yet come to an end, because he feels like there is Paris Olympic, there is Diamond League, and there are a lot of top races. But I don't think it actually matters, because even if she calm down, I don't think she has a chance. Let me know what you think, guys. And also, please do me a favor to make sure to subscribe right now to this YouTube channel. Support me, guys. I need your support. Make sure to subscribe.